Wipe, wipe, wipe it down. Wipe, 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 wipe it down. Wipe, wipe.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are well. Today we learn how to create this effect on After Effects using the linear wipe effect. Alright then. Let us begin. Open your After Effects and create a composition. Use any settings you want, as well as background. You can also set a new solid layer as your background, or you can import a background, the choice is yours. Next step is to create a text. Grab the text tool and write any text you want. I've written hello you. Next, duplicate the text. Turn off one of the text layers. We will be using the active layer for now. Then go to Presets and Effects. Type in linear wipe. Grab and drop it on the active layer. Your work area should be appropriate length. I'm currently using 15 seconds long work area. Now let's animate. Position the time indicator at the beginning or few frames or seconds in. Go to linear wipe on the effect controls. Click on the stopwatch of the transition completion, set it to 0, go back to the workspace, move the time indicator few frames or seconds forward. Go back to effect control and hit stopwatch. Increase the transition completion setting, maybe to 100. Now hit your keyboard spacebar to see what you have created. Time reverse it if you want the effect to be reversed. Now hit your keyboard spacebar to see what you have created. You can also increase the feather. This is what you get when you increase the feather. Next, turn off the current layer that you are working on and turn on the duplicate layer. Here we want to create a mask. While the layer is active, grab your shape tool and create a rectangle at the edge of your text. We need to animate the mask. Go to your layer, find Mask in the drop-down. To reveal Mask Path attribute, we are using this attribute to animate the shape. Align your shape movement along with the wipe effect of your previous layer effect. To see, go to your inactive layer. Without activating it, click on it and hit U on the keyboard. Use that to animate the shape like this. Hit the spacebar to see the outcome. Now turn on the previous layer. You won't see much difference, but the mask layer makes the animation a bit cleaner. That's it, experiment what you learned today and share with us the outcome on our various socials. You can find the link on the description section below. Tell us what you want to learn next in the comments below. Also, if you find our work helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Turn that notification bell on while at it too. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day or night.